It is definitely starting to feel like summer right here, and all those warm weather festivities, so much fun, but you have to keep your family safe, especially in big crowds of people around the water. So with us today to fill us in on summer safety for families, Lauren Montgomery from Child Action. Very happy to have you with us. Thanks for being here, Lauren.
Thank you for having me.
So we were talking about there's water, there's sun, all reasons I imagine why it's so important to educate families on safety.
It very much is. Sacramento is a beautiful place, and so is the summertime, which honestly brings some unique experiences that we can have fun in, but also a few unique challenges. But that's okay because they're very easy to overcome.
So let's talk about some safety tips for families. I have 2 daughters, but I imagine these are tips that apply for all kids of all ages and families.
Absolutely. Adults and children can definitely benefit from this. So with those unique situations, we do obviously want to be aware of our supervision with the children, because that's number one. Supervision can really take care of a lot of the unintentional injuries. Those are the ones that we're trying to prevent. And so water safety is going to come into play, but also so is food safety. There's a lot of barbecues we're all going to be enjoying out there with our families and friends. And also grocery shopping. That in extreme heat, that can actually be a situation that could even cause food poisoning.
That's an important thing to keep in mind. So share some other precautions that we should keep in our mind when it comes to this time of year.
Sure, absolutely. Well, hydration definitely is a big one. So children are susceptible to that sun and heat a little more than we are, but everybody should be drinking plenty of fluids throughout the summer so that we can overcome heat-related illnesses such as heat stroke. And also ice, which oddly enough goes right hand in hand with water. We want that for our food safety. When we're outside at the parks, in our backyards, we want a lot of ice to be able to protect our food.
So it sounds like if you plan ahead, it can definitely pay dividends in terms of safety.
It really can. That it's kind of the supervision and planning ahead. It really is the prevention, and that's what all these health and safety topics have been about, is what can we prevent so that our children can continue to have the fun in the sun.
Yeah, we want the fun, but we want safe fun. So tell us about what's coming up at Maker's Place. There's a special safety program there?
Yes, so this is going to be part 3 of the health and safety training that I've been offering there, and it's going to be everything summer safety. So that also includes sunscreen protection, bug repellents, because that also comes into play in this time of year.
Yeah, I love that we go over the sunscreen, because the kids argue about it, but it's so important, right?
It truly is, and you have so many different varieties. I mean, which is the best to choose for your little ones? So we're going to be having conversations about that as well.
You make it easy for us. Lauren,
I
thank
hope
you
so.
so much. Hey, let's remind everybody, Maker's Place. So here's where we go for more information. It's makersplacesac.com if you want some more information. Sounds like that's definitely going to be some time well spent for all the safety tips.
I sure hope so. Thursday night.
Thank you, Lauren. Any plans for you this summer?
Oh gosh, honestly, spending time with my puppies.
That sounds good. And safety for pets, that's a whole other topic we'll bring her back for. So
it could be. It could be. It's hot out there for them too.
So thank you so much, Lauren, for being with us.
Thank you.
And thank you, everyone, for being with us. We'll tune in with us tomorrow for Sac & Co. Stay safe. Drink that water as Lauren recommended. Have a great day, everybody.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.